Setting up an email campaign with an AWeber account is a straightforward process. For online businesses, sending email campaigns to subscribers is crucial, especially when promoting new products. The process begins on the AWeber home screen, where you click on the Campaigns button, represented by 3 little dots and a thunderbolt. This leads to a drop-down menu, where you select Campaigns to view existing campaigns or create a new one by clicking Create Campaign on the top right. AWeber offers various templates for email campaigns, depending on the goal, such as welcoming new subscribers, sending meeting reminders, or promoting new content. You can choose a template or build one from scratch. For this example, a meeting reminder template is used, which is then customized. The email campaign can have multiple steps, and the actions can be adjusted to fit the business goals. In this case, a 2-step campaign is initially set up, with the first step being an immediate response to new subscribers, and the second step being a reminder about a consultation call. However, to avoid sounding too desperate, a waiting period is added between these steps. The waiting period can be adjusted, and for this example, it is set to 20 minutes. The message itself can be customized, with options to use generic messages provided by AWeber or create one from scratch. The subject line and content of the email can be edited, and once complete, the message is saved and added to the campaign. Additional steps can be added to the campaign, such as waiting for a specified period before sending another message. Once the campaign is set up, it needs to be published to become live. After publication, new subscribers will trigger the campaign, receiving a series of emails according to the steps outlined in the campaign. The status of the campaign can be viewed on the AWeber account, confirming that it is active and ready to send emails to new subscribers.